Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Yada, 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 yada. For today, we're doing the same thing as yesterday. I'm on M5. I'm probably not going to go lower than M5 again. I probably even stay on 10 or 15, but this was yesterday's play. As you can see, we're inside these two ranges, so that won 100%. Delete that. Delete that. You can see we stayed right there the whole day. Like, we didn't even get, like, look, we have so much range to play with. It's ridiculous. SPX doesn't show pre-market, but SPY does. So we just gonna guesstimate. Right now we're about $1 up. So let's just go here and estimate that we'll be about $10 up, which is about 70. Okay, so this is 100 points wide. What do we want to do? 70 minus 50 is what, 20? So we're gonna put this down at am I doing this right? Alexa, 170 plus 50. Ain't that 230? 220. Hold up. I'm thinking wrong at something. Oh, this is 200 wide. Duh. I was looking and I'm like, huh? So 70. Let's just dang, that's the thing right there. Okay, so let's look at numbers off of that. So we're gonna look at a today. Let's go up to about, let's try to go up to about 95. All right, that put us at 30, 95, 90 for the bottom. Up top, let's bring it down to 60-ish. He went 10 wide. Let me look at this. I'm gonna show you the one my friend, I can't freaking drag it over here. That's so stupid. But if I do this, then I can drag it over. I can put that there. This is what we're looking at so far. He likes 85 and 65 is what he likes. Oh, he went 20 down. Sheesh. Okay, I think this is what we're gonna go with. So can I delete that? Delete that out. We're looking at this right now. It's moving between 0.40 and 0.45. 0.45 and 50 actually. So what's the limits? Bottom limit is going to be 509.4. Bottom limit is 509.4. Where's 50? Bottom is 50. 509.4. Crap. Top limit is 5251. Okay, I'm going with this. We've been wasting too much time. It's 8. We done wasted 25 minutes. It's too long. At 0.45. 5100 is the low. And what's the high? 5250 is the whatchamacallit. That's what we're doing. That should be good. I would have liked to go more on the low end. That's cool. Close order at close order at 0.10. Indeed. Okay. Oh, ay, carico. You guys got any questions? Leave them in comments. Leave them in. Oh, Till next video, peace.